Happy New Year! Do you have your theme for 2024? I do. My theme is grow. I'm so excited. And how I build my theme, I don't do New Year's resolutions. I like to do a yearly theme. And I build my theme based on the greatest 10% of my year before. And last year, in my show up year, I didn't have time to grow because I was so busy getting it done. So this year is my year to grow. Now I apply my theme to every area of my life. First and foremost, the person in the mirror. I'm going to grow me, my spiritual practice, my meditative practice, my yoga practice. I'm going to grow my health. I don't believe getting old means you need to be sick. I want to make sure grow my immune system. I want to grow in my marriage with Darren and have more fun. I want to grow as a mom to adult children. I want to grow in my friendships. And I am most definitely going to grow in my business this year. So what I do every year is I buy myself a new ring to reflect my theme. So I bought myself a green stone ring so that I can look at this ring every day to remind me, is what I'm going to do help me to grow as a better person? So what will your theme be? What could you do to buy a ring or a keychain or something that is going to remind you of that theme every day? Happy New Year.